Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you add link on your TikTok bio. So let's just go to TikTok app. Now here you can see in the bottom right your profile option. Just click on it. Now here you can see edit profile option, which is beside add friends. Just click on edit profile. Now here you can see your bio option. Click on the bio. Now just put a link here and click on save, which is in the top right. Now go back and here you can see in your bio a link. If you need to make it clickable, you can just report a problem in help and support and make it clickable. So guys, this is how can you add link on your TikTok bio. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.